How to use WhatsApp on two phones using the same number. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones using the same number. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Open the QR code. On your main phone with your WhatsApp account, click the three dots at the upper right corner. Select Settings, then click the QR code logo on the upper right to generate a QR code. Step 2. Scan the QR code. On your secondary phone's WhatsApp, click the three dots at the upper right corner. Select Link Devices, then click Link a Device. Now, from the secondary phone, scan the QR code you generated from your main phone. And that's it! This is how you use WhatsApp on two phones using the same number. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!